Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to review the ear tips from Comply. I've never used these before, which is amazing because I love great sound. I don't claim to be a expert in sound, but like most of the viewers of this channel today, you'll be looking for great sound indoors and outdoors, especially on the ANC for the Samsung Galaxy 3 Pro Buds, or whatever they're called. You know what I mean. At the moment, I'm using, and I have given a full review, the Asla Crystal. I'll be taking these off. As I do so, just to show you, here they are. And I will also be thoroughly cleaning these as I frequently do. And I will be doing a sound comparison in different environments for me to give you my feedback. Now, everyone's ear shape is different, so your mileage may and will differ. So we're going to talk about these. What I like straight away with these, they did come with a little device inside to clean the ear tips, but I had also purchased this for $1 or $2. You get it on Amazon, any Chinese web page. It just comes in a little box like so, and it basically you put it out that way. That comes off. For any dirt, ear wax, you've got a sharp edge over here, and you've got this like a brush to clean that way, and this way you pull out, you can now clean the inside of the ear case. As you just saw, I do reviews of loads of technology, and especially earbuds. I love walking around, making phone calls, listening to my favorite music, and that's really my main form of exercise, which I thoroughly enjoy. And so far, if you look at the reviews, especially on Reddit and so on, there's been a lot of mixed reviews on these earbuds. I was one of the unlucky ones when I first got them. The ear tip broke off straight away. I had a real problem for Samsung to acknowledge it, to get replacement ear tip. And even then, I'm still not sure if this is as good as it gets with this particular earbud. Maybe if you bought one today, it's slightly improved and they haven't told us, the manufacturing that is. But I found the ANC at best to be average compared to some of the other earbuds I've already tested out. But one thing I do love about these is the microphone quality. Outside, people can't tell I'm outside using these, even in the most noisy environment. So I'm persevering with these. So my tests will involve listening to these in different environments, inside, outside, different frequencies, so you get a good idea if they're good for you. Both of these, the Asla and the Comply, are very easy to put on and put off. They've got the cutouts, and you know when it's in place. You just give a little twist, and you can actually feel it. So I'll be coming back in a few days after I thoroughly test these under the conditions I mentioned earlier. So my summary, I've tried these in quite a few different environments, listening to different kind of music. I've used YouTube to play high frequencies, low frequencies, testing out the ANC. Now, this is my personal opinion. I do not get paid by saying this in any shape, form whatsoever. I definitely have found these to be the best ear tips I have tested out so far. The ANC is way better, but I must let you know, it took me a little bit of time to get them to be a perfect fit. As you can see over here, the first few attempts, it kept on saying poor fit, then I got a good fit in one. You do have to squeeze them in a little bit before you put them in your ear, and then let them expand. You may not, depending on your ears. And so let me tell you the pluses and minuses. So plus, definitely ANC, which is the main thing I'm looking for, was great on this. Still not perfect, but way better than any other ear tip I've tried, and I've tried at least 4 different brands, including, and way better for sure than the original. Comfort-wise as well. Negatives are, these, you're going to have to, like all of them, you've got to keep them clean, all of them, but these will have to be replaced every so often. But if you know your size, I've got the large ones. They're not that bad because you get a whole set. I've got 3 sets of large ones here. So not too bad replacement cost, if you like. And for the difference you get, they should have really done a deal with Samsung, and Samsung should have applied these or given these for free at this price with all the problems they had with this. So are they going to be my go-to ones? For sure. Right now, these will be my go-to ones. I am testing out new earbuds. These kind of things may be replacements for the conventional earbuds. I can't see it just yet. These are like, instead of the over-the-ear ones, which I've also reviewed, these are the new kind of shape that clip on your ear like so. Very different. Subscribe to the channel for these. I do put a lot of work and effort into these. I don't get paid for doing these videos. I hope you subscribe. It really makes a big difference for the channel. Any questions, let me know. Which ear tips are you using? Any tips on ear tips? That makes sense. So on that note, please subscribe. Have a great day or night, wherever you are. See you soon.